Springtime is the most beautiful time in the garden. It's a time when plants and flowers are vibrant and full of life, untouched by the scorching heat and relentless sun of summer. I wish that we could wake the garden each spring, uncover the flower beds from what's left of fall's leaves, watch everything bloom and the grass turn thick and green, and then hit pause for the summer. When I was suffering from depression, I spent a lot of time out in nature, and I found that it did help me feel better. I'd like to read a poem called Just Breathe by Brittany Diane. Just breathe, when the world loses its luster and the sun has lost its glow, when all you touch seems jaded and your laughter's a no-show, when your thoughts are full of darkness and your worries weigh you down, when effort just seems useless and you wear a perpetual frown. Just breathe. Breathe deeply the air in the woodland. Feel the moss between your toes. Smell the scent of wild flowers. Let your soul release its woes. Stroke the bark of an ancient oak tree. Take a picnic in its shade. Watch the birds flutter in its branches. Know your troubles are just man-made. So inhale the peace of the forest and exhale your worries and fears. Rest in the arms of nature and trust she will dry your tears. When a child loves you for a long, long time, not just to play with, but really loves you, then you become real. In the language of flowers, lavender whispers tales of elegance, grace, and timeless beauty. The hum of the bees is the voice of the garden. This is the weekly layout for my May theme. If you'd like to watch me create my May bullet journal spread, the link is in the description. They are available for purchase in my shop, which is also linked below. To you, I'm nothing more than a fox like 100,000 other foxes. But if you tame me, then we shall need each other. To me, you'll be unique in all the world. To you, I shall be unique in all the world.